Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Global Carbon Market and CCS towards ASEAN Decarbonization, a two-day workshop hosted jointly by Japan Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, METI, Japan Organization for Metals and Energy Security, JOGMEC, and the International Emissions Trading Association, IETA, with support from Asia CCS Network. We are very pleased to announce that, as of today, we have received more than 1,500 registrations from a very wide range of sectors, not only from the oil and gas industry, but also from electric power, shipping, construction, steel, financial institutions, and others. We are very surprised by the warm response to this workshop. I am Masumi Takanashi, Project Director of Global Coordination Division, Hydrogen and CCS Project Department at JOGMEC. It is an honor for me to moderate this event. In the JOGMEC's Carbon Neutral Initiative, first introduced in April 2021, JOGMEC positions carbon dioxide capture and storage as a technology that could potentially contribute to ensuring energy security while realizing carbon neutrality. We intend to accelerate our efforts to support domestic and international CCS projects of Japanese companies and strengthen international collaboration with particular focus on ASEAN. To that end, we believe that it is important to foster an understanding of current trends of carbon market related to CCS and learn from precedents, and participate in international discussions on possibilities and issues for CCS projects to benefit from carbon credits. For this workshop, we have invited key players with a rich track record in developing carbon credits for CCS projects to share the latest trend and best practices in the field. We expect that this event will contribute to the ongoing discussions on CCS and carbon credit-related issues and help promoting understanding of CCS among participants, especially stakeholders in ASEAN region. JOGMEC also plans to publish a handbook with guidance for generating credits from CCS projects based on the result of this workshop. We expect this to serve as a guide for CCS credit initiatives for stakeholders in ASEAN and around the world. Next slide, please. As we are about to begin, please allow me to make some housekeeping announcement. Please refrain from making a video or audio recording of the event, as all materials will be made available on our official channels afterwards. If you have any issue regarding the sound or video quality of the stream, please inform us via chat. If you would like to send questions to our presenters, please do so using the Q&A function and write your questions in English if possible. Please be reminded that due to time constraints, we may be unable to get to your question. Next slide, please. Now, let us begin day one of the workshop. Today, we will mainly discuss the overview of the global carbon markets and CCS carbon credits. Firstly, we will have an opening remark from METI, followed by two keynote speeches from the representatives of JOGMEC and IETA. Then, we will have three presentations from experts who will share their perspectives on different aspects of the global carbon markets. Lastly, I will make a brief summary of today's discussion.